Not even having a kiddie, guys. This is a beautiful place all the time, right? I think over here somewhere, it genuinely starts to be quite cold. I know it sounds weird. Let me check the weather. It starts to be a bit cold. 18 degrees. Feels like 12. Surely doesn't feel like 12, guys. I don't know what they have seen. But definitely doesn't feel like 12 degrees when I'm in the t-shirt and still sweating. Right. So it's a little bit of a scam cast. Yeah, 12 would be like really frosty. I think it just doesn't know exactly like what the temperature is. So, you know, it is what it is. Okay, we're gonna take this little street up, then down around the church and then continue up above the village. Let's do that. Let's go up here. It's still a lot of light. Where are the shrouds? But what is a trout? What is a trout? What is a trout? I'm starting to have a little bit of belly pain again, guys. Hopefully it's, oh my god, hopefully it's not coming back. Like genuinely quite like severe one, like suddenly. It's really strange. I hope it's not gonna come. I literally haven't had anything. I was only drinking. Delicious fish. Forel, a type of fish. Yeah, I didn't know that. I didn't know. So maybe there is some type of fish in there. I would say definitely there is something, but what kind of type, it's hard to say. Right. The diverse group of carnivorous freshwater fish belonging to the Salmonidae family. Oh my god, like genuinely, guys, I'm starting to have a little bit of a belly ache and I don't know why it's starting. Carla, nice to see you. Did I say hi to Carla today? Like, I genuinely don't even remember. I'm gonna be honest. I genuinely don't remember if I said hi to Carla.